vertical. But if it's horizontal, it looks like AC tower. Other things, lights, basically lights, in general is L. If it's red, you write red. If it's green, you write green there. If it's amber, you write A there. If it's blue, you write blue. These are bells. So it's like you've seen like fire alarms or in a buzzer. These are switches basically. It's a three-way switch, three-phase connect and disconnect. So you have to connect them together. Disconnect them.
Do you have one for relay?
Relay?
Yeah. You have a symbol for relay?
Yeah.
It's kind of like a solenoid.
Yeah, it looks like a relay. Symbol for it.
Okay. There's a lot of that in cars.
Yes, yeah, I have a lot of relays. So the next class we're going to do relays. So after this week we can do relays. So you have this is a practical. It's a car. It's a car door. So either when you open it or close it, basically just starts on. Or you can set a timer. So basically when you go in it, I don't know what that means.
I can smell from here.
Yeah, I know. It's like a benzene or something. It's like those cancerous things.
Yeah.
Okay. So this thing has got a power source. This is electrical circuit. It has what?